Hey guys, I'm Chandler, and today I'm out in Russellville at my newest listing, and you guys are gonna love this property because it has so much to offer. It has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and on top of that, it also has a ton of additional living space. There's a living room, dining room, and an extra den for you to use. If that wasn't enough, there's also a basement downstairs. Now, if the inside wasn't enough to make you fall in love, you will absolutely love the outside. This property sits on a really spacious lot downtown. It has a circular drive, and there's even 2 storage buildings out back for you to use. You're gonna love it, so let's go check it out.